this faceless YouTube channel is making up to $30,000 a month just by creating and uploading YouTube shorts. And the best part, it's all done by AI. From titles, description, hashtag, the content were all generated using AI. Check one of their latest video. As you can see, it's just relatable and shareable content, and I'm going to show you how to do exactly that absolutely for free in no time. We are going to use 2 AI tools to make this happen and automate everything. The first tool we are going to use is ChatGPT. I'm going to put a link in the description for you, and I will see you in a few. To access ChatGPT, you're going to sign in up for an account, and when you logged in, this is exactly what will appear on your screen. Unless you have a paid account, you will see the plus icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the exact prompt as the one in the description. I'm going to show you that in a second. You can access the prompt, it's in the description. So I'm going to do so. I'm going ahead and copy and paste the prompt, and let me take you through it. So basically, we are going to ask ChatGPT to create 30 sets of facts, the sets being topic, part 1 and part 2. As you can see, I'm giving it some examples. I'm also asking it to format it in a table. Also asked it to adjust it to a couple different fact types: male, female, crush, relationship, and many other. Also made it very specifically focused on stuff that are very relatable, so that way it's highly shareable, highly engagement driven. This is going to be exactly what we are after, what you typically would click on YouTube and would otherwise interact with. So we have the prompt that is in tune to that. I've also asked it not to repeat any of the facts. Then I'm going to hit send, and we are going to let it generate. You just want to do a quick check-in to see if what you wanted is what you've gotten. In this case, this is exactly what we were after. We have our column 1 of different types of facts, our column 2 starting point, our column 3, which is the end, and we have our 30 facts. I wouldn't advise you to go beyond 50. Somewhere between 30 and 50 is great for getting the best quality out of ChatGPT. If you ask for 200, 300, 500 facts, it may not give you. And if it does give you, it's going to have a lot of repetition and a lot of nothing, because it's trying to fit in a lot just into one short prompt, where you can ask for smaller amount and it's going to focus more on the quality within the 30, within the 50, within the 40. And if you want to get 1,000, you're just going to copy and paste the prompt, or just ask it to give you another 30 without repeating, and that way you'll get 1,000 facts. Next, we will go to canva.com. So now here we are. You can either just click on the link in the description, or go ahead and type in canva.com in your browser, and you want to sign up for a free account, and then you will have been signed up. Once you're logged in, this is how your screen will look. Then we are going to click on the search bar in the middle, and here we will type YouTube short. We are going to select the YouTube short template. Here we are going to go ahead and select the blank, so we can edit as we please, and on the new template, then automate. First, we will add background video. Let's add video background. Here we are going to click on apps in the bottom left here. Then we are going to scroll down until you can see, or you can search using the search bar. But when you find it, let's click videos, and here you're going in the search bar, you're going ahead and type something like beach, sunset, something of that kind of vibe, something of that kind of nature, just like you saw in the example of the video from the channel I've just shown you. So let's do sunset in the beach, and we just want to choose any of the videos. Choose the one without a crown. I think this is pretty good video for background. Attempting to put it in as the entire background for editing window, which is exactly what we want. So I'm going to, at the edge of the editing window, then I'm going let go of my mouse cursor. Here you can see it's applied as background video just as we wanted it. Next, we are going to clean this. We are going to clean and put up text and automate everything. Yeah, first of all, we are going to make the video shorter, something like 5-6 seconds. That's pretty good. Remove any audio by clicking the volume icon and reducing it to 0. Click on text, select heading like so. Because we are going to add some text, adjusting to our first piece of text, which is going to be the topic, I'm just going to replace the text with the word topic. I'm going ahead and drag it to the top. Here is about where I want it. Now I'm going ahead and style. Like you saw in the example. So we will click on effect. We'll go off to background. By default it's usually black, but if there's another color, click on the color, select black, and we will click out of that. Next, I'm going to change off the font. Click on font. As you can see, you have tons and tons and tons and tons to choose from. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's going, yeah, I think it's good. Then next, I'm going to click on it, duplicate. We are going to drag this down, and this is going to act as our part 1 text. So we double click, and I'm going to replace the text with just part 1, just so we can identify what is what. And I'm also going to get rid of the background, but I will add outline. This is because you can see it's already hard to read. Just the background, add an outline, because as you can see it's hard to read with just the background that's going on. So I'm going to add outline. I'm just using color black. I'm changing that to black. I'm going to increase the thickness to 70, 80, 75 maybe. Now it's much easier to read already, so that's what we want. For text, there's part 2, which typically should be the place part 1 is as well, but to be able to link to data, let's duplicate this and show off some part. Duplicate this and replace that with part 2. And yeah, so then we are going to drag that to the edges, because to these purple outlines, to give it some kind of box around the entire video. We don't want it to be hanging around, but also, you know, the text can be a bit longer than the topic. This is the reason we are doing this. We don't want it to just be spilling over the edge of the video and it becomes unreadable to the edge, and you know, yeah. The last thing we are going to do, we want both of these text to show. We don't want both of these texts to show at the same time. Then we are going to click on that, and we are going to adjust timing to avoid overlapping as well. Then we are going to click on that, show time. Then this is a 6 seconds video, so the shorter amount of the video is going to be the second part, and the first part is going to be the longer part. So 4 seconds for the first part and 2 seconds for the part 2. Then I'm going to add animation like pop to part 2 to make sure the retention is higher, and you have to rewatch the video to get what the video is saying, which means more engagement, more retention and stuff like that. So let's do that. Then we are going to link to that. We are going now to, all we want to do is go ahead and connect our data in Canva tool called bulk creation. Yeah, at the app you're going to see bulk create, and we are going to click on that. You remember I asked you we need to highlight the table from ChatGPT, and now we are going back there. We can copy and paste. We can copy and paste in this. Now it's the set. Now we are going to copy and then After you've copied from ChatGPT, you can click on enter data manually. Then you're going to scroll down and clear the table. Then on the column at the top left column here in the top left, you're going to paste our text, and as you can see, that's it. It's now pasted. Then now we are, as you can see, it says share and download the pages. You want to make sure you download these pages as separate files. That way you're going to get that is separate video ready to go, all AI generated with a little bit of automation, and that way you can create even 1,000 of videos and start your own faceless YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. You can do this for reels, shorts, TikToks, and that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, share, comment.